Is your Monday afternoon weather webcast update. I am meteorologist Kevin Skarupa. After 1 to 3+ inches of snow in parts of the North Country, we are watching things settle down as we go through the afternoon. But it is a chilly day out there with some blustery winds out of the west, gusting at times over 35 miles an hour. We'll see that wind diminish down to breezy later on this evening, and still a breezy day tomorrow as this upper level system continues to wobble away. A lot more in the way of fairer skies over the next couple of days, not just southern parts of the state. Tonight, gradual clearing across the area, and that sets up lows back into the 30s in the North Country and 40s elsewhere. Tomorrow, partial sunshine yet again, and a breeze that'll be out of the northwest, not nearly as gusty as what we've had out there today, but a general 10 to 15 miles an hour with a small chance of a pop-up shower in the afternoon. Good deal of sunshine going forward as an area of high pressure continues to settle in. Another system will be passing to our south around midweek, and it eventually sets up some pretty nice weather for us all the way through the end of the week with gradually warmer temperatures each day. It's a lot of 50s for most, but feeling more like the 40s with that wind gusting over 30 to 35 miles an hour, while the snow showers continue to wither away as a couple of mixed showers with temperatures in the 40s in Coos County this afternoon. A solid 10-degree jump in temperatures tomorrow, a lot less wind as well, so it'll feel even warmer than 10 degrees warmer tomorrow afternoon, and we should be in the upper 60s and lower 70s with fair skies through the end of the week.